Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. But when trust has been broken, whether through betrayal, dishonesty, or even neglect, rebuilding it can feel like an uphill battle. It requires time, patience, and consistency, effort from both partners. Hey everyone, it's Andrea Brown, your relationship coach, and welcome back to Transform Your Love Life in 90 Days. In today's episode, we're going to talk about one of the biggest challenges after experiencing hurt in a relationship, and that is rebuilding trust. This is a crucial step in healing and moving forward, so stay tuned. And remember, stick around until the end for a special discount on my 90-day transformational program. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So far, we've covered a lot of ground together. We focused on self-love and releasing past baggage, identifying limiting beliefs, and setting healthy boundaries. All of these pieces are essential as we build toward creating the love you truly want and deserve. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, but when trust has been broken, whether through betrayal, dishonesty, or even neglect, rebuilding it can feel like an uphill battle. It requires time, patience, and consistency, effort from both partners. Today, I want to help you understand the process of rebuilding trust and give you some tools to get started. In my own marriage, there were moments where trust has to be rebuilt. Not because of any big betrayal or anything like that, but from the little ways we unintentionally may have hurt each other. And especially from our own past separate relationship traumas. I remember feeling disconnected at one point, and it wasn't until we both acknowledged where the disconnect was that was where we began to be reconnected. It was a process, but it made our relationship so much stronger. Now that we've talked about the importance of rebuilding trust, let's go through a simple but powerful framework to help you put this into practice. Whether it's in a romantic relationship, friendship, or even with family, this exercise can be used to restore trust. Step 1, acknowledge the breach. The first step is to acknowledge where trust has been broken. Both you and your partner should reflect on moments when trust was compromised. Be specific about the actions or behaviors that caused the issue. This helps to clearly define what needs to be repaired. Step 2, open communication. Sit down with your partner in a calm setting and discuss how the breach of trust made you feel. Practice active listening. Make sure both of you feel heard. No blaming or interrupting. Just focus on understanding each other's perspective, okay? Step 3, set clear intentions. Once you've discussed the issue, the next step is to set clear intentions for moving forward. What actions can each of you take to ensure trust starts to rebuild? It could be as simple as checking in regularly, being more transparent, or offering reassurance in moments of doubt. Step 4, small consistent actions rebuild trust. It can't happen overnight. It's about consistent actions over time, committing to doing one small thing each day to show that you're working towards regaining trust. This could be fulfilling promises or even being emotionally available. Step 5, patience and forgiveness. Finally, be patient with the process and with each other. Rebuilding trust requires time and effort. Practice forgiveness, not just for your partner, but for yourself as well. Trust is fragile, but it can be rebuilt with time and commitment. If you're finding value in this episode, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with someone who might need it. It really helps the channel and gets these important messages to more people. And if you haven't already, take my relationship readiness quiz to see how prepared you are to creating lasting love. This link is below and pinned in the comment section. In my guide, Transform Your Love Life in 90 Days, week 7 is all about rebuilding trust. One exercise I love is called the Trust Check-In. It's where you and your partner sit down, openly discuss your feelings, and identify specific areas where trust has been weakened. Then you both come up with small, tangible actions you can take to begin repairing those areas. This could be something like following through on promises, being more transparent with each other or your intentions, or just simply making time for deeper conversations. Let's try a quick version of that right now. Take a moment to reflect on a relationship where trust may have been broken and write down one action you can take today to start rebuilding that trust. It doesn't have to be a huge step. Small, consistent actions make all the difference. Then, anytime you feel ready, add on to those steps until you feel comfortable in trusting again. Rebuilding trust isn't easy, but it is possible with the right approach. Remember, trust grows through consistency and vulnerability. If you're ready to take a deeper dive into rebuilding trust and more, check out my guide, Transform Your Love Life in 90 Days, for step-by-step guidance. Don't forget to use the discount code TRANSFORM for 20% off the checkout. You can find the link to the program in the comments and in the description. Are you ready to unlock the love you deserve? Let's keep growing together. I'll see you next time when we dive into loving authentically. Until then, take care and keep building those strong foundations. See you next time.